Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you remember, I have mentioned a lot of time that you should detach yourself from things, from people, from situation, and I have mentioned this also that I'm going to make a video on this later. So today I thought that why not we should discuss about it, that why detachment is very important in our self development journey and also to have a peace of mind. Point number 1, detachment with people. Detachment का उल्टा क्या होता है? Attachment, right? We become so attached with people and we start to have this unrealistic expectation कि इस पर्सन के साथ ही मैं तो ज़िंदगी भर रहूँगी, राइट? सोच लिया है कि अब तो इसी के साथ जीना है, अब तो इसी के साथ मरना है, यही चीज़ होने वाला है, राइट? स्टार्टिंग में एवरीथिंग फील्स सो गुड, एवरीथिंग फील्स सो रोजी, एवरीथिंग फील्स सो अमेजिंग, बट ओवर द टाइम थिंग्स चेंज, right? Their priorities change, your priorities change, things doesn't work out. And कोई भी रिलेशन, चाहे वो फ्रेंडशिप हो, चाहे वो एक पार्टनर के साथ रिलेशन हो, एफर्ट्स इज रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. दोनों में से कोई एक भी पार्टनर ने अगर वो एफर्ट्स नहीं किया तो चीज़ें वैसी नहीं रहने लगती है जैसे द वे यू वांट, राइट? सो वी स्टार्ट टू ब्लेम अदर्स कि उसके वजह से उसने मुझे हर्ट किया, दे गिव पेन टू मी, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. बट एक्चुअली इट वॉज नॉट द पर्सन. It was that unrealistic expectation. It was that attachment that hurted us, right? And similarly with friends as well. We start to think कि इस फ्रेंड के साथ अब मैंने ये जर्नी स्टार्ट की है. सपोज यू हैव स्टार्टेड द सेम करियर एज योर फ्रेंड इन द बिगनिंग, बट ओवर द टाइम व्हेन यू ग्रू यू रियलाइज दैट now I want something else in my life. My career goals is different. It's not the same that it used to be earlier, right? And you decide to choose a different path and your friend just want to choose a different path. And you start to blame each other that how she can be so selfish, or she can also say that to you, that how she can be selfish. Why it's happening? Because of the attachment. We think दैट जिस तरीके से हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था ये इस तरीके से ही एंड होगा. नाउ हेयर कम्स द डिटैचमेंट. डिटैचमेंट हेल्प्स यू टू बिल्ड दैट बाउंड्री इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू सो नो वन कैन हर्ट यू. ओके, योर पार्टनर वांट्स टू लीव यू, या ओके फाइन. व्हाई? Because it's really important for people now to come out from that mindset जो होता था बाबा आदम जमाने के टाइम पे, हमारे पेरेंट्स के टाइम पे, कि इसी के साथ जीना है, इसी के साथ मरना है. वो वाली माइंडसेट से वी हैव टू कम आउट. ओके, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू शुड नॉट do efforts. I'm not saying that you have to be negative. No, what I'm saying is be accepting. Okay, be accept this fact that right now I'm happy with this person, I'm living in this moment, everything is looking so amazing, everything is working out the way I wanted, and we are doing all our efforts to maintain this relationship, but I'm not sure what is going to happen in future, right? Again I'm saying this, that you should not think negative कि हाँ ये रिलेशन तो रहने वाला ही नहीं है. नहीं, what I'm saying is कि कल को क्या होगा किसी को नहीं पता. So don't think and don't have this unrealistic expectation कि हम जिंदगी भर साथ रहेंगे. When you are ready and you have already accepted this fact from the initial stage, तो फ्यूचर में ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ऐसा बोलूँ कि आपको हर्ट नहीं होगा. ऑब्वियसली इट्स गोइंग टू हर्ट यू because you have been with this person, you have shared each and everything with them. Obviously it's going to happen, but it's not going to hurt you that much that it used to hurt you earlier, because you already have accepted this fact that future में क्या होने वाला है I don't know. People change. Okay, लोग बदलते हैं, लोगों की प्रायोरिटीज बदलती हैं. It is going to happen. And same thing with friendship. Just because you guys both have started the same journey, that doesn't mean that you are going to end with on the same journey, right? People grow, people evolve, people learn new things, and they realize that they want something else from their life, right? Just because you guys have been in a relationship from a very long time and you have been a friend from a very long time, that doesn't mean both should have a same goals, right? And the same destination. Let me give you an example. Last year, that because everything was falling apart in my life, and I was crying so hard for every single thing, and I was thinking that nothing is going right the way I wanted. So I remember last year my friend came to me and she told me what her plans are for her future. And I remember I was like literally crying. I was crying so hard. I was not like that, I was not happy for her. Obviously, I was really happy, but at the same time, I was feeling like how I'm gonna survive because I have never thought of living alone, especially without her. So I was thinking that how I'm gonna manage, how like everything is falling apart with me right now, and this is not something that I wanted to hear right now. Cut to 1 year. Uh, she shared the same thing to me again, and I was like, okay, I'm so happy for you, I want you to grow. And she was like, that's it. I was like, yeah, I know that it is really important for you and I really want you to grow, and I'm really happy for you. So it's okay, and we are like, we have to accept this fact that we are not going to be together till the end. Point number 2, why detachment is important with things. Okay, so in one of my videos I mentioned that decluttering your cupboard is like a therapy. I've mentioned that in my video. I'm gonna tag that video as well so you can watch from there, and I'll mention that in the description box also so you can check out from there also. Okay, so we guys have this habit of keeping all old clothes of us जो हम पहनते भी नहीं है या फिर जो हमें फिट भी नहीं होता. Either we have like gained weight or we are just waiting for the time when we lose our weight and then at that time we are going to wear it. And इसके वजह से we have so much cluttered in our cupboard and it has piled up so much that मतलब इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं that most of the things are like useless. Half of the things, more than half of the things are like useless. We only wear few of the clothes again and again, right? So सबसे पहले तो when you are detached from your things, सबसे पहले तो वो सारी चीज़ें हो सकता है कि जो ज़रूरतमंद हैं, जो नीडी हैं, उन्हें काम आ जाए. First of all, it would be helpful for them because you are not using it at all. Also, it will help you to see that you should only keep those things in your cupboard that is actually important for you and that is actually useful for you, meaning that it helps you to clear your mind and to acknowledge this fact that you don't need 100 people in your life or 100 friends in your life. Okay, you only need few people who is actually in your life, who have been supportive, who loves you genuinely and who cares for you, and it helps you to give that clarity. Okay, that dress that doesn't fit you right now but still you are waiting for it the right time to come, or you want to lose weight and at that time you are going to wear it. Same thing we think about people. Even if we are like surrounded with toxic people, we would be like, we have this mindset, this unrealistic mindset from movies and cinemas that, oh, we can change people. No, you can't change people. A lot of time we keep people in our life. Why? Because we think that we would be able to change them, but no, you would never be able to change anyone. ओके, तो हम बस वेट करते हैं कि वो बदल जाएंगे, मेरे साथ ऐसे हैं, ठीक है, एक टाइम के बाद वो समझ जाएंगे, उन्हें रियलाइज़ हो जाएगा दैट हाउ मच आई लव देम, एंड फिर उसके बाद वी विल बी हैप्पी. सेम थिंग यू आर डूइंग विथ योर क्लोथ्स. Okay, so when you declutter and when you detach from things, you know that you only have to be with those kind of people in your life who actually love you, who is useful for you, who is always supportive to you and who is always there with you. Okay, now point number 3, that is detachment from situation. Okay, we become so rigid with few things कि हमें यही चाहिए, right? हमें अगर suppose this is the company in which I want to work, and the moment you get rejected you start to feel like a failure कि मैं fail हो गया अपने life में, and now I don't have any options available in my life. Okay, detachment helps you with ओके, सबसे पहले तो डिटैचमेंट आपको इस चीज़ में हेल्प करता है कि येस, आई वॉन्ट दिस जॉब, ओके, दिस इज़ द कंपनी दैट आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क, ओके, आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग माई सेल्फ फॉर दिस कंपनी, बट I am open for other opportunities as well. I am open for it. This is my first preference. अगर मुझे यहाँ पे मिल जाता है तो ठीक है, बट अगर मुझे यहाँ पे नहीं भी मिलेगा तो भी it's okay. My life is not going to end. Why? Because I am open for different opportunities in my life. Maybe I will experience something else. Okay? Don't be attached to things, to situation, because you never know, maybe something better is waiting for you. Okay, point number 5, you have nothing to lose when you are detached. Okay, my partner wants to leave me. Okay, my friend is going somewhere else. Okay, these people were toxic and I have to leave. Initially they were really good to me, but now they are toxic to me. It's okay, bye. This situation didn't work out the way I wanted. It's okay. I have other opportunities. I was already open for other opportunities, so that is fine. When you are detached from people, you have nothing to lose. क्या है lose करने के लिए? Friends, partner, opportunity, चीजें, कुछ भी नहीं. Because you are detached. You don't care, right? Partner जा रहा है छोड़ के. Okay. I knew that this may happen, this can happen in future, so it's okay. Friend जा रहा है, हाँ ठीक है, क्यों नहीं जाएगा? Obviously he have different opportunities. उसकी life है आगे, सबके similar goals नहीं होते, सबके same journey नहीं होती, so it's okay. Obviously चीज़ है, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है these things are going to be of my use throughout my life. No, तो मुझे ऐसे लोगों को दे देना चाहिए who can use it. राइट, तो इट्स फाइन. ये चीज़ अभी मुझे नहीं, अब ये ज़रूरत है, ये जाएगी तो मेरे को दूसरी चीज़ों के लिए जगह मिलेगी, मैं दूसरी चीज़ें खरीद सकती हूँ. राइट, आई नीड दोज थिंग्स दैट इज़ यूजफुल फॉर मी. ये सारी चीज़ों को रख के कोई मतलब नहीं है जो मेरे काम का नहीं है. मे बी वो किसी और चीज़, किसी और के काम का होगा. राइट, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे नहीं मिली जो मुझे चाहिए थी. Okay, it's fine. I have different opportunities available. I'm already open for different opportunities, so that's okay. You see the difference? You are not losing anywhere. You're just winning in every aspect of your life, because you have changed this mindset of being attached with everything. You were earlier, you were attached with things, you were attached with your partner, you were attached with your people, you were attached with your friends, you were attached with opportunity, you were attached with the outcome, result, situation, every single thing. Just name them and you are attached with everything. Like you were attached with everything, but now you are not attached with everything. When you were attached, you were just losing, because you were so focused that this opportunity is not in my hands now. She was the only, or he was the only friend that I had in my life. She is also leaving. Okay, this partner with whom I thought कि मेरी ज़िंदगी भर मैं इसके साथ रहूँगी, he will understand me, he will love me, everything, he also left me. You were only losing when you were attached, when you had this unrealistic expectation. But when you are detached, you have nothing to lose, because you are not expecting anything from people. You are just expecting from yourself. Now you know that the most important thing is not losing myself. Detachment helps you out with this. That's it for today's video. I hope you're gonna like it. You can like this video. Also, you can comment me down. You can let me know how you felt. As well, and also you can subscribe to my channel, you can follow me on Instagram, you can see all the details in the description box, or it must be flashing right now. So yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.